How to make six-figure income as a project manager. There are many avenues leading to six-figure income. The most common one is management position. Director of project management or PMO in a large company can definitely bring six-figure income. If your desire is not in corporate, you want to freelance, certainly you can start your own project management consulting company or freelance as a project manager that can also possibly bring you that six-figure income you desire. Another path I've seen is in management consulting. Starting from junior consultant, once you grow into a project lead or engagement lead, definitely that comes with six-figure income. Regardless whichever path you're interested in, definitely you do not start in at six-figure income. You start with your first project manager job. So if that's a journey you're on and you need help, message me. I'm a project management coach. I help aspiring project managers find their first job in 90 days. I also have a free project management ready guide for you to download. If you like this type of video, follow me for more.